How to write a LinkedIn summary step by step. To write a high-impact LinkedIn summary, first of all, structure your narrative using a 4-part framework. That includes an attention-grabbing hook, a primary of your professional expertise, and quantifiable career achievements, and also direct call to action. Your summary is your digital elevator pitch. It expands on your headline and convinces recruiters, clients, or peers to keep scrolling through your experience. First things first, hook the reader in the first 3 lines. Make it punchy, avoid generic openings. And also, next, define your professional value and expertise. Keep it conversational. And also, connect the dots. You simply have to now quantify your key accomplishments. Use the XYZ formula. You simply have to now list your technical core competencies. You simply have to format as a grid or list your core skills, tools, and technologies. Want to do this, you simply have to end with a clear CTA, which is call to action. For job seekers, you simply have to write connect with me here or email me directly at certain email. Or for freelancers and consultants, you simply have to tap visit my portfolio site at website.com or simply drop me a line at certain email or contact info. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.